Hi everyone, welcome back to the BigBasket channel. I'm Anusha and in this video I'm going to be taking you through my small balcony makeover. Do watch until the end because we have a cool giveaway question coming up. Answer the question correctly to stand a chance to win exciting BigBasket vouchers, and of course don't forget to subscribe to the BigBasket channel to be eligible for the giveaway. Now let's get started with the video. Most of us have a dedicated space at home to cook, to eat, to sleep, to entertain guests and maybe even to work. But do we have a place to relax and meditate? That is what I want to create at my home today. And I have decided to create that relaxing space for myself right here in my small balcony. Let's get started. My current balcony is a big mess, a small space that has been ignored. Can I turn this place around? Let's see. My challenges are, I want many plants, but I also need to free up floor space. It should be easy to clean, provide space to sit and meditate, and feel pleasing to the eye and senses. My first step is to clear all the junk that is collected in my small balcony. These are products that I don't use or need there anymore. Next step is to finish any pending gardening tasks. Some of my plants badly need to be repotted, so I will do that. This way they can grow better, and I will also be able to create a cleaner balcony once the repotting work is complete. Doing this has also led to clarity on the extra pots that I am now left with but won't be using. So now I can store these away for later. With waste and other extra items being removed, I already notice more space in my small balcony. Now, to make my dream balcony a reality, I actually need more plants. So let's go shopping. I have picked up several plants that add visual interest and beauty. Some of them are foliage-heavy plants, but considering it is spring, this is also the perfect time to get flowering plants. Such a delight to wake up to and enjoy all day long. We've come to the most difficult question that anyone with a small balcony asks. Where do we put all the plants without compromising on the floor space? Don't worry, I have the perfect solution to creating a garden in a small space without compromising on floor space. The idea is to use vertical space instead of the floor space. And for this, I have gone ahead and purchased 3 products. The first are these plastic hook baskets in white that came as a set of 3. They are great for holding some flowering plants. Next are these bright yellow rectangular planter boxes, again with hooks. These are railing planters that can be simply hooked to the railing and in the process frees up floor space. They also look super cute, which is a bonus. I can directly pot the plants in them or simply keep the plant in the plastic pots within this planter. The last is this vertical 3-step plant stand with frame. This can be kept outdoors and I can arrange several plants on the steps. I can also use this meshwork area to grow creepers or hang small planters. And the best part is all these products can be moved around easily and don't require any complex installation. So railing planters and vertical step plant stands are ideal space savers for a small balcony garden. Now I can finish cleaning the mess created while gardening and start working on the floor space. To make the floor space both visually interesting as well as comfortable and functional, I am adding a colorful rug and then some small furniture to sit and relax. I have this large pot of soil here that I can't move indoors, but I am going to make sure it turns into an interesting and usable space. Next, I shall add some decor accessories such as these cute owls to make this wall interesting. Lastly, some solar-powered LED lights to make this place magical at night. Now let's take a look at my finished balcony. This is my gorgeous yet functional small balcony makeover, and now I enjoy it while sipping a cup of tea or meditating or simply chatting with my family. Did you like it? Now for the giveaway question. What are the 3 products I use to keep more plants while also freeing up floor space in my small balcony? Answer in the comment section and stand a chance to win exciting gift vouchers from BigBasket. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be eligible for the giveaway. I hope you enjoyed this video and hope to see you soon in the next one.